Welcome everyone to day 14. Please hit like and subscribe. Just a little update on the square top steel camper. So I think you saw last time I had the jacks added. What I've done basically so far is put another coat of paint on the trailer itself. The bottom layer of the floor is in. What I've described is I'm going to put 1-inch insulation down there and then 3/4 inch plywood in there. This is just 1/8 inch with the fence post paint on the bottom and the top, and then silicone around all the edges. It's coming along. I think it's pretty good. I bolted everything down from that because then I'm just going to lay the 3/4 inch down and then use VHB tape to hold it in there. I have cut the flooring and the two sides, just rough cut the side so far. I got to sand it down and put some sparring in. So what I plan on doing is put some 3/4 inch spar there in between, and then probably just to give it a little extra support in some spots. But I'm gonna, once I get that all settled on the sides, I'll be able to glue that in, so that way it's nice and sturdy. I did put some, I could show you, but then I've polyurethaned. This is the bottom of the floor, so it's going to flip over. This is 2 coats now. That's for the front section. This is for the middle, so I'm going to put 1 and then 2 and then put a little Bondo wood filler in between it just to get rid of that little gap, so you can kind of see. Came out really nice. Had some issues with some saw blades, but this is the bottom, so not really a big deal. And that's the last piece, so definitely need a lot of stuff. So you can see I'm definitely working out of the garage, trying to get everything taken care of and done. But it's moving along. I did get the bottom part of the water tank mounted as well, which I'm going to be putting on. That's all finished. It's going to go right in there. I'm using the Flexi Ride 3500s in there for the wheel, for the axles, so that's nice. But you can see those brackets hanging down. What I plan on doing is have the exact opposite on the other side and then put a 20-gallon water tank in there. Everything's moving along, no real complaints. The only thing I wish I didn't do is put these in there. Reason I'm put those in there is I'm going to put a bunk bed in the back and have it so my daughter could sleep on the top, and let the wood rest on here, and then put basically brackets or wood on the back so I can take it in and out for now. So it's made it very difficult for the interior to cut around it. I kind of did a little 45s here and to make it look pretty, but it's been kind of a pain in the ass to work on. So you can see, sorry for the movement, but basically I've put see, I have some backboarding there and put everything together. So these are the interior of the walls, or this is going to be the back side. So because I marked out where the window is going to go, and then I just got to lay that. Once I mount that in the interior, I'll cut it. I got to figure out how I want to cut for the spots of the windows. If I want to use, I have a router or jigsaw. I'm just a little bit nervous with the router because it's steel in there too, tubing, but then I want to make sure that it's nice and pretty, and I got to figure it out for the doors too. So I'm not really sure. Any suggestions would be great. I'm thinking I got to do one side and then do the other side, the interior skin, and then do the exterior skin once the exterior is on, and just kind of match it up. But I'd love any ideas, any advice, how to do that, because there is going to be basically wood sparring in between. So I'm just trying to figure that out. But yeah, please hit like, please hit subscribe. Any questions, let me know. But trying my best. I can't say that all my cuts are straight or anything else, but I think most of them will be hidden, and it seems to be moving along, and it's watertight. Says I use that black post, and then I put a heavy duty silicone stuff called Lexel. Got an Ace Hardware. Stuff is very sticky, and it seems to be very good. I just kind of you can see I filled it up in there, and it's flexible, but it's sturdy, so it's pretty good. Anyway, give me a any questions, make any comments. Love to help everyone out. Again, please hit like and subscribe, and any questions, just post. Thank you.